Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change line spacing in Google Docs application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in my Google Docs application and I'm going to customize spacing of this document. First of all, I'm going to select all my tags like this and then click on this A icon and then we can scroll down like this guys, and if you want to change the line spacing, you just need to change it right here. You can increase the line spacing by tapping on this plus button like this, or you can also decrease the line spacing by tapping on this minus icon. Okay, and I'm just going to select this one and then we can just go back, and as you can see that my line spacing has been changed. Alright guys, then that's how we can customize line spacing and Google Docs application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.